I keep telling myself that I do not like the way how I vlog. You might enjoy it, but I don't enjoy the way how I vlog. So I'm trying to like step up the content that I put out. So hopefully this works out. Yo, me wonder who this a premium for the bicycle, you know, man. It's a new ride. I bet this. Wow, no, me about to first. I bet this. Yeah, dog, you see me. So they man about the vlog a long time. Grassroots man reach by the vlog, you know, man. What you did that, yeah? I did that. Bombard. Me just drop in like last night, but me I go for my father right now. I go for? About tomorrow evening I come back. Well, an idea, but we will come back a video same time. So may I say? A video same time.
So look out for you see me? I probably might drop before a vlog, you never know.
You never know.
Alright then.
Alright, bro.
Right, you think that?
So that was 3 people. Yeah, dog. But me tell you, when we take it out of the case, it's like it drop in there. But you may go up some somebody just put in a case just as a precaution measure. Yo, I have the worst problem when it comes to my earrings. I only had one earring which I loved so much, then I stopped wearing it the other day. And every other earring I have, I wear it for like 2 weeks and then I stop. If I take out an earring out of my ears for like a day, the whole cork's up back. What kind of virgin type of stuff are going on with my ears, isn't it? Anyway, I'm going to my father today. I've been doing a lot of back and forth, like running up and down, visiting him. Him phone wash up. So I try to see if we can get him a cheap phone today and kind of like surprise him. You see me? Because the man, I wish I could give him a Galaxy or them type of phone there, but him not even going to want them type of phone there, you see me? Because the man, they just simple, call and text. Like my mom knows she will use WhatsApp, but father, call and text. But anyway, yes people, so I did link up here and Jerry already. I have link up on the little move. The little move I tell you about, but we stop by one of my brethren in place. Or if you book DJ Tyrone for the parties them, because they want to think, oh Lord, wait till the table dog, wait till the table. Give them peace. We don't bring it. We don't bring it. Give them peace enough for the vlog, you know. We don't on the work, but we don't bring it. We don't bring it. We don't bring it. We don't know. Next time we don't on the flag, check in the fix. Alright, so I know so this is my work, you know, so when I have to left my work always is with me, isn't it? Them English they're bad though, man. Over there still are going easy back. I saw to the little 3-minute mission and just whoops, raps, bam, bam. You don't know, yeah. Well, I mean, I done them there still, but me I cut you know, you see me? You know, man. You know. In case you don't know, I cut you know, you see me? Them see them? Them see him? Yeah, man, them see. Next time, yeah. Live. Mix out. Get all a free buckle of water with people. You can't get it free still, you know. Entertain a battle list me get. You see me? Yo. Well, anyway, you know the deal, people. I don't have to do all the explaining. We just reach up. He ended out this one. She finally made it. A joke she didn't have the same bus with me. So, we just had to try to carry up the stuff for them because the bag them kind of leap. Anyway, I want to try to find some way to like get my father to come outside or something to chat him out, to put him film out chip in the new phone and surprise him. I don't know when I'm going to do that yet, but I'm going to plan it in my brain, isn't it? But anyway, we just reach and we're good. If we could have like shown like the whole distance from here to go up, it's far for your first time, huh? You see me? But for me, that good, you see me? Eh? Alright people. See the phone here? You don't have a phone for like 2 or 3 weeks. So you might end up spending up a whole lot of money on medication because it's not too well. But I put in my phone skillfully. And you don't know what happened. So what I gotta do? I gotta ring him phone. I'm gonna ring your phone out loud. I gotta say, who phone that? Oh no, that's check it. Just give me a say me call you so till me weak, man. And I get a phone. Yeah. Here's one that.
You did check it out?
Yeah. Yeah.
You put it in the chip? Okay. Our Alcatel.
Yeah, Alcatel.
You have a charge of it?
Everything, lady.
Everything. Oh my God, Lord God. You see how much fiscal?
Message you get answer.
It charge.
My
number?
My number?
Same SIM card.
Same SIM card. But just put the chip in the phone.
Okay.
So, we need the only thing we forget to buy you some credit to activate the camera. No, I don't see it, so you have to go make a call. No. Call. Yeah.
This is the one you sent.
Yeah, the green one.
That one don't have any color energy.
Let me see, turn on, let me see. But your service expire, 147 expire, too long you have your phone.
Too long, you know, had no credit, you have to go.
You know, you have 147, you can't sell him credit.
No.
You have to add credit straight.
Yeah.
We put our people. Nah, knickers.
What them saying? If you were one little 3 times a day.
3 times a day? People, my best friend is here. Orange! I tangerine there still, and just say she wants tangerine. Drop his tangerine in my car, drop off. Show me what peel orange daddy, because she not too know, you know. I am a page delivery show to know them stuff there. I should have up and already see me, man.
Yeah, you know, some of them have to treat.
You let me know?
Yeah.
What mine is?
What's
Hold
this
on.
one that big one right in this?
Yeah, let me see it, man.
This one.
Thanks. It's my apple, orange.
Me plant for 5 fucking tree in a year. It's one this.
Rain is falling, people. So Ianja brought the rain. Ianja, why you bring the rain? You look dark. Look cute though. Hello, mommy. So vlog girl. Ianja sick. So that the boy a cold bush. But when me look, me get it out. I'm there, so I try to cool it. And they come at me a cool for 1 hour. Told me no want to drink it. But Ianja, they are so sick. Go there, baby. Yeah. Mine no move on now. Basically, people, you have to turn the vlog in the morning. I got up on the road last night after the rainfall. So I'm going to get another vlog. Let's put that down. So you look like country pumpkin, man. Show yourself. When I provoke you, when you do a vlog comment where somebody said they miss you, so they will say, I have to show you. Cool. Hey. Oh yeah, fam. But glad no KFC, you know, but like what time when you're hungry. When you people as well say, they done the vlog, so you see me? So, the next vlog I'm going to start, don't know if I like it up. Like, comment, share, subscribe, you go to yourself.